Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install R in Linux, such as Oracle Linux, Red Hat, Fedora, Sudo, SC. So let's open their terminal and on there, let's use the dark theme, increasing the size a little bit. So here, going to use this command, sudo dnf install R. So this command is there, sudo dnf install R. So you can use this command directly on this Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC, or any other operating system. So currently this is here, Oracle Linux, and this is doing some download process. But sometimes what exactly happening, this enable the file. So we need to enable the repository if you are using Oracle Linux 10. So here we need to use the enable the repository. So for this one, I'm going to use this command. So this command that I will paste in the description and press enter. Right there, why? Right there, why? So this is now enable this repository. After that, let's use this killer. And now again, I'm trying to use this command sudo dnf install R. So this here, problem tag is developer arif rdev. Okay, R. Let's skip their devel. So here you can see when I'm using directly uh, this command. So this is not working, but here R core is now, sorry, R and base that's working. Right there, why? And now this here, installing this R inside the Linux operating system. So this is now here, you can see this. So many times this command that will work, but if that not work, then you can also include there R base. Okay, R base, and this will work. Okay, so this here done. Now I'm going to check there what exactly R version that installed. So let's use their first clear command and R minus minus version. So you can see 453 that install. Okay, 453 that install. Now if you write there R, then you can come inside the R console. So many times different error or different problem that comes. So if that problem that comes, then you can use this way, and this is how we can do the installation of R in Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.